Ready to unlock a surge in sales and watch your business thrive by tapping into the power of flexible payments? Today, we're diving into how to seamlessly integrate Afterpay into your business, transforming the way your customers shop and boosting your bottom line. First, head over to the Afterpay website. Specifically the For Business section, you'll find all the information you need to get started. Next, you'll need to register your business. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button and fill in the required information, such as your business name, contact details, and website address. Be sure to accurately provide all the information that is requested. Once registered, you'll need to integrate Afterpay with your e-commerce platform. Afterpay offers plugins and integrations for popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, and more. Select your platform and follow Afterpay's step-by-step instructions to install the plugin or extension. After installation, configure the Afterpay settings within your platform's dashboard. This usually involves entering your Afterpay merchant credentials, which you'll receive after your application is approved. You can also customize things like the Afterpay messaging and placement on your product and checkout pages. Now, make sure the Afterpay messaging is clearly visible on your product pages and during checkout. This informs customers that they can pay in installments. The more visibility, the more likely your customers will use this option. Finally, test the integration thoroughly by placing a test order using Afterpay. This ensures that the payment process works smoothly and that orders are correctly processed in both your e-commerce platform and your Afterpay account.